So that gets me into Jupyter notebooks. Jupyter Notebook is a really cool piece of software. They are used quite a lot in data science. And the reason for that is because it allows you to tinker with stuff in a very easy way. And the other thing that's nice about a Jupyter Notebook is that it keeps a record of what things you've tried, the results, and you can put notes about those things right in the same space. So sometimes things are better to demonstrate than describe. So I'm going to demonstrate in just a second. But the notebook is a much simpler interface. You can install and launch it from PyCharm, and it allows for iteration, trial, and error, which is ideal for data science because data science is a lot of poking around. So let's take a look at a Jupyter notebook. I've installed the Jupyter library here, but once you install it, you just go to Terminal and you type Jupyter Notebook, and your web browser is going to open. And what it shows me here is my list of files that the directory that I'm currently in PyCharm. So already my stuff is here. And I'm just going to create new notebook. And it's going to open a new notebook. This is a Jupyter notebook. Doesn't look like much, but it allows you to do some pretty cool things. I have 3 different types of blocks. I can use code, Markdown, or raw. Raw is just regular old text. Markdown is text that you can format using different types of codes. For example, I can surround text like this to make it bold. I can, and I can type regular text. You can also do bulleted lists. I can't remember how to do those. I think it might be this. And when I hit Command or Control and Enter, yeah, see, so I can very quickly type formatted text. If I want to create notes about what it is I'm doing or what I'm thinking, that's something I can do. I can also, though, write and execute code right here in the notebook. So if I wanted to do our old hello world, oldie but a goodie, I can run that code and execute it right here in the notebook. So it's really useful in terms of data science because I can try stuff out. And I'm going to show you that as we go through some of the next little bit. I'm actually going to use a Jupyter notebook to execute and demonstrate some of the code because some of the things it produces are really, really nice. So I'm going to leave this Jupyter notebook open and I'll come back to it frequently.